Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kensha and welcome. So I thought I would do something a little bit different on my channel. I know a lot of times we see a lot of people buying body care and like we're going with them to Target, Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar General, wherever to buy body care. But a lot of these times these people don't tell you, hey, I have a coupon for this item, hey, this item is on sale. So I thought it'd be a little bit different to take you guys along with me to Family Dollar today and just look at and see what coupons they have available on their app. And typically on Saturdays they do the they have a $25 minimum and you save $5. So that is the deal I'm going to do. And I'm also going to see if I can find some coupons on some body care items just to kind of like give you guys an idea, like, hey, you don't always have to spend full price on an item, because I know a lot of times when we see YouTubers out here buying products, we don't really know if they're buying it for full price or not, because they're not telling us that. So I thought this would be kind of interesting to help, you know, some people out there to save their coin, because your girl is always liking to save a coin when she can. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. So as you guys could tell by the clips that I've inserted of me shopping in Family Dollar, my Family Dollar is pretty bare. They didn't have anything really, but I do want to let you guys know what I got. I ended up spending $16 before tax, which is really good because my goal was to spend under $25 for body care items. Now they had soap, they had the Dial soap. I picked up the Dial soap Himalayan salt. This is the 21 fluid ounces. They were buy one get one free. So these are regular price $4. So basically, since this was buy one get one free, these were $2 each, which I think is such a good deal for some Dial soap. And it smells super good. It just really smells just fresh and clean. It kind of almost smells like a little beachy to me as well. Next up, I picked up some Dove antibacterial soap. Now this wasn't on sale, but the $5 off my $25 purchase did apply to this, and this was $3.50 before the coupon. I also picked up some Nivea Cream. The Nivea Cream regular price is $7.50. If you saw in that Nivea clip, they didn't have any really Nivea products. So this was kind of like my only option. And plus I wanted to try this because I have never tried it before. And I'm going to show you guys on camera as well. This is just supposed to be like a really moisturizing body cream from them. If I can open it. And it's in a glass jar, which makes it kind of heavy. this doesn't look the best, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's, you know, just really thick and creamy. I'm actually gonna put some on my hands. Apparently this cream is for body, face, and hands. I don't ever really put creams on my face. I just use a moisturizing face oil. But this feels really good. If you guys have never tried it, I'm just hoping it won't leave my hand. My hand's like super greasy, where you know how you can put an imprint somewhere, like you can put your hand down and you pick your hand up and there's like nothing but an oil stain. I hope this does not do this. I hope my skin actually sinks into my skin. Next up, I picked up some gum detoxifying Crest Pro Health toothpaste. Now this is, I guess, in their travel size. We've actually been using this at my house because my dentist recommended it for us, especially since I am on Invisalign. This kind of just helps protect my gums since my teeth are moving. This was $5. I had a $2 off coupon, so this made this $3, and that's not bad for a travel size toothpaste. Next up, I got 2 Dove Men Care Comfort Clean deodorants. These were regular price $3.50, and there was a $2 off coupon for this. So yeah, that's a good deal. So like I said, I spent $16 was my subtotal, and I came out spending $18.60, which is not a bad deal. Your girl stayed under budget, which is always great. Let me know down in the comments if you kind of like these kind of videos where I can show you guys how to coupon a little bit and save money on like some popular products. Let me know down below, and your girl will see you in her next video. Bye.